Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the system clock and BIOS state because certificate checks depend on correct time. This prevents false secure boot failures. Next, sign into your EA account and note backup codes since reauthentication may be required. Then reboot into BIOS or UEFI firmware. You will enable secure boot or re-import keys. Take action now. Don't linger on theory, correct time, secure credentials, and BIOS access. Once done, save changes and reboot to the OS so the next step can run. Now you reset secure boot keys to remove corrupted entries, because invalid keys are the usual cause of that secure boot error. In UEFI, switch to setup mode, delete custom keys, then choose install default keys or import the vendor PK and MOK manually if required. This replaces broken certificates with trusted ones and restores bootloader validation. Make sure to confirm prompts. Some systems show a one-time key enrollment. After installing keys, restart and watch post messages for success or immediate failure indications. Finally, boot into the operating system and update firmware, drivers, and the EA client because outdated components can trigger secure boot validation faults. If the game or link still blocks you, briefly disable secure boot to regain access and transfer any needed files, then re-enable it after fixing software. If secure boot errors persist even after reinstalling keys, clear the CMOS to reset firmware state. This forces a clean start. Make sure to re-enable secure boot once everything runs correctly to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.